Okay.
So today we are going to have a discussion regarding IELTS general questions. So I'm going to ask you questions and you have to answer in your own way. Okay, so what is your full name?
My full name is Sapna Saroj.
Okay, Sapna, so what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
Recently, I have completed my master in a Hindi stream, and nowadays I'm planning to go abroad for my higher study.
Why you choose the subject?
Firstly, it is really interesting, and another thing is that my other friend also chose this subject, so that is why I also joined them.
Is it a popular course in your country?
Yes, definitely, it is really popular in my country because there are many scope whenever any student take this kind of subject, like they can become a professor in a Hindi.
Okay. So are you looking forward to work in this field?
No, because these day, as I'm earlier mentioned, this day I'm planning to go abroad for my higher study. But after completed my study, I will come back India and work as a professor or teacher.
Okay. So let's talk about your house. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in my house with my family.
Okay. Can you describe a little?
Yes, definitely. It has around 6 room along with a bathroom, and there is a big kitchen, and in front of it is a garden where my mother grow different kind of vegetable and also some plants.
Okay. What's your favorite room in your house?
My own room is my favorite because first of all it decorate it as my choice, and another thing is that it is quiet, and I love to do study in my room.
Okay. So now let's talk about shopping. Do you prefer online shopping or traditional shopping?
I prefer both, but these days I do online shopping a lot because they provide different kind of thing to their customer. Like they give different kind of discount, and the price is really reasonable. And if I talk about the product, the quality is really high.
What are the disadvantages of online shopping?
Well, there are some disadvantages, like sometimes we can't get our parcel on a time, and other thing is that sometimes the product is not same as they show.
Okay. And what are the advantages of traditional shopping?
Uh, well, the main advantage is that they can see the product before they buy, and if any kind of damage, they can replace at a shop on the support.
Okay. So good answers. That's all for today.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.